na numero pagka-elimination round, pag regular season. But they know how to turn it up. Speaking of turn it up, Thompson to Aguilar for the jam.
Nakakadalawang assist na yan, no? At least, yung nakakita natin ng maliwanag, dalawang assist.
Ganyan for a veteran like Japet Aguilar. He does still average close to 12 points and 6 rebounds per ball game. And syempre, paborito siya ng target ng mga gwardiya niyang katulad ni Thompson and Abarrientos. Forcing it. Hodge couldn't clear it.
Si Holt na naman na may rebound. Whoa, away.
Hodge is saying may tumulak daw sa kanyang likod kaya niya nadaganan si Thompson. Cliff was just standing there. Natalisod ba siya? Hindi kita sa angulo ko. Ito, mas magandang angulo to. Nagkabul nga yung